how to enable dark mode in Windows 10 or 11. So let's start it. First of all, you click on right button on the empathy screen, then click on personalize, then click on colors. If you have you can see here colors. If you are want to on dark mode, then click on choose here color custom, then you click on dark. Just refresh the laptop and you can see here the dark mode is on, and click on cut mode. You can see here the dark mode is on, and open any app, the dark mode is on and PC is dark. So it is how to enable dark mode on Windows 10 and 11. So that's it. If you have enjoyed this video, click on subscribe button and don't forget to like, share and subscribe comments on this video. Thanks for watching.